Is your Facebook back button not working? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Solution 1. Clear Facebook cache. The first thing you can do is clear Facebook cache. The steps may vary from device to device. Open your phone settings, go to the Apps section, then tap on Manage Apps. Tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Data button to clear cache. Relaunch Facebook and see if the back button is working now. Solution 2. Download the navigation bar. For this, go to Play Store and type navigation bar in the search bar. Install it. Once you have installed the navigation bar, open the app and grant permissions. Click on Agree and then go to Settings. Tap on Downloaded Services. Then tap on Navigation bar. Tap on Accessibility. Toggle on the Accessibility button. If you get a warning message, check the box for I am aware and then tap on OK. You can use the navigation bar app until the problem in Facebook is resolved. Solution 3. Update Facebook. An outdated version of the app can be responsible for the issue. So update your Facebook version. To do it, go to the Play Store. If any update is available, download and install it. Solution 4. Download an older version of Facebook. You can also try downloading an older version of the Facebook app if you're using the latest version of it. Before doing so, uninstall the up-to-date version of Facebook from your device. Go to the App section and hold on the Facebook icon. Select Uninstall. Confirm by tapping again on the Uninstall option. Once you have uninstalled the app from your device, next open your web browser and type Facebook old version. Go to the first website. Download an older version of the app. Solution 5. Report a problem. If nothing helps, you can also report a problem. Open the Facebook app. From the home page, tap on the 3 horizontal bars on your profile pic. Scroll down to find Help and Support. Tap on Report a Problem. Click on Continue to report a problem. You can select Include in Report or Don't Include in Report. Select Settings. In the description section, describe your problem. Like we are typing here, back button not working, then send it. Wait till Facebook helps you fix the issue. And there you have it. 5 methods when the Facebook back button not working. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.